Hello everyone, welcome to class. I'm Miss Faust. I'd like you to get out your paper from last class period, your notes on the essay writing process, okay, and a pen or pencil. You'll need to take a few notes for today's assignment. So I'll give you a moment to do that. Okay, so welcome back and come and join me over here. So, we have our topic/prompt, okay, vacation spots, then our first paragraph, 3 questions. Now remember, please remember that paragraph 1 has questions, not sentences. Please don't write sentences. Do not give me answers. I only want to see the questions. Okay, does everyone understand that? Good. Now let's go on to paragraph 2. This is where you really need to focus. Okay? So our first sentence is, first, I like to go to Austria when I am on vacation. Now remember, this first sentence answers the first question. So if you look back at your notes, the question has to do with where do you like to go when you're on vacation? Okay, so the answer goes with the question, and the question goes with the prompt. So it's just like a math problem. You have step 1, that leads to step 2, which leads to step 3. It's the same thing when writing an essay. Okay, so keep that in mind. Now, here comes our new part. At this point, you only have a skeleton version of your essay. You haven't filled it in. So it's not a complete essay. You just have the skeleton. So today we're going to start by filling in paragraph 2. Only paragraph 2. Okay. So I put a sentence right here. It is a very scenic country. Okay. This sentence, and I wrote it over here, supports the first sentence. I like to go to Austria. Why do you like to go to Austria? That's what this is all about. So you have one example of this. This is a reason why I like to go to Austria. Just one reason. So you have a feel, an idea of what you need to do in your own essays. Okay? So with your essay on food, you're going to have to do what I did. So as of today, you're going to start filling in the paragraphs. It is a very scenic country. That sentence is considered to be evidence, proof of why I like to go to Austria. So think of it like that. Evidence. And evidence can come in the form of examples. Every day, each and every one of you is dealing with examples. Somebody might say, I have a very beautiful garden. And you say to that person, okay, why do you say that? And the person comes back, well, I've got roses everywhere. I love roses. And there are some of the most beautiful trees. They give so much shade. Okay? And on and on. Those are examples. You do the same when you're writing an essay. You give me the reasons why in the form of evidence, and the one way of doing it is to use examples. So here is my one example. Okay? Do you have any questions about that? That is how you develop your paragraph. You have the first sentence, the answer, then the reasons why. Remember that. Reasons why. Okay? And use examples. Okay, now you might wonder, why does she have length down there? Well, good question. That is a good question. I like that question. Well, here's the answer. Many of us are told when you write a paragraph, it should have 5 sentences. Okay, it could. It gives the reader a bit of a feel, and hopefully you make the point. The point goes back to here. I like to go to Austria when I'm on vacation. That's your point. If you only need 4 sentences to make that point, you're fine. Then you have your 5. But there are times where you need more. You might need 6, 7, 8 sentences to make this point. So then you've got to write those 6, 7, 8, 9 sentences. You can't just say, oh, I did my 5. I am done. No, you can't do that. Because I might look at that and go, what's wrong here? You're not done with your paragraph. You didn't make your point. I still don't understand why you like to go to Austria. Okay, so be careful when you start looking at the length. Please don't just stop at sentence 5. You might need a sentence 6. Okay, keep that in mind. So, for your assignment today, and this is due today, as soon as you're finished with it, I want you to send it off to my address. For your assignment, I need you to work on paragraph 2 only, as I said before, paragraph 2. I need that first sentence, and then I need you to write at least 4 or 5 sentences. So for our purposes today, at least 4 or 5, which means you can do more. You're going to try to make that point. Okay? So add 4 or 5 sentences that will support the first one. Remember that. Evidence supports first sentence, which supports the question, which supports the prompt. Do you have any questions? Remember, your essay topic is what? Hold on. Wait, I think I hear it. Food, you got it. Good job. You got it. It's all about food. Boy, am I excited about that. I'm thinking about food right now. Okay? So, if you have any questions, you know what to do. Okay? And again, do today. And I hope you have a very wonderful day. And take care till next time. Bye-bye.